Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Here we are on a Thursday. It's a little different than it was on Wednesday. Yesterday we had that drier air, those lower temperatures. It felt a little bit nicer outside. This morning, we're back to that icky, sticky stuff. Got a lot of numbers in the mid-70s. Now, 24-hour temperature cast may be a little optimistic trying to keep these numbers in the 80s today. I don't see how we don't get to the 90s in many spots unless we get more widespread showers, and I still don't think that's in the cards. I do see some activity on radar, and I do think we're going to have some showers today. Right now, we're looking at some between Asheville and Monticello, maybe right up to Highway 84, just west of Quitman. So we do have some, and these are drifting ever so slightly towards the west. So areas in Thomas County, areas in Jefferson County, maybe the Highway 19 corridor from maybe north of Monticello to around Thomasville. It's got a shot to get some showers as we go through the next hour or so. Had a few sprinkles just east of Valdosta. Parts of Eccles County was wet, but now those are lifting a little bit more north and falling apart. So we'll see how long these can hold together. I do think a few showers are in the offing this morning. Better chances are going to come this afternoon, but it is not, and everybody gets wet all day, widespread soaking rain, and a lot of us are likely still going to get up over 90. Plus, we're ratcheting up the humidity a little bit today, so it's going to feel a little hotter than it actually is. It's going to be one of those days again. We're at 73 this morning in Thomasville. We're at 76 right now in Valdosta. It's at 77 to get started in Tallahassee. Now, there is a bit of a breeze out there, more from the northeast. I think it's going to turn a little bit more east and maybe even southeast as we go through the day today. As long as we have that breeze this morning, visibility numbers should be okay. We'll check those in a second. Most of our air temperatures between 73 and 77, a little bit warmer than they were this time yesterday, a little bit warmer than they're supposed to be at this time of the day, this time of the year. And there's that breeze, pretty much east and northeast, and enough where you do notice that it's happening, so I don't expect to find a lot of fog. We're not seeing reduced visibilities. All the numbers 9-10 miles. So let's get to the satellite radar composite, and we'll see a bunch of showers in a bunch of places to our south and to our east. Now, that boundary that is down to our south is there. It's not coming back just yet, and so we've got this air that's just starting to moderate a little bit. Things are changing in the upper part of the atmosphere. A little bit of energy is finding the southeast, and that should support some showers, especially this afternoon. So while I do think there's going to be some showers, there's going to be lots of breaks in between the showers, and it doesn't mean everybody gets wet. Some of us won't see a single drop today, and that means we're going to have more hours in the 90s again. So lots of hot, lots of humid, and that's going to be the case, I think, for the next couple of days. Yes, shower chances are there, but it's not a guarantee that everybody gets wet. It's not a widespread big blob of rain that we track along I-10 and estimate it'll be where you are between 2 and 4. That's not how these showers work. These sort of do their own thing when they want to do it. A lot of them are fueled by the afternoon sea breezes, and we should have a little help from that East Coast breeze working with the Gulf Coast breeze, so where they bang into each other, more showers get going. And of course, we watch for that as we see those happening. Then we can update you, show you where the showers are, and tell you where they're going. But until they get initiated, not much we can do except say we expect these showers later on this afternoon. So for a lot of us, best chances to get wet are going to be the afternoons, the evenings, but we certainly could find a couple of showers at other times during the day. We're seeing some this morning, and I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a couple in a few spots late tonight or early tomorrow morning, because we do have that increase in moisture and we do have that upper level support. So shower chances are a better shot, and hopefully that means we slow down those temperatures. Now, the encouraging and most encouraging part of this forecast is still nothing going on in the tropics. Maybe some of the computers are hinting at a little something trying to get going in the Gulf. I don't see anything out there just yet. We'll watch, we'll see. Not much happening in the Caribbean either. A couple of showers and storms down near Central America. The Atlantic has its usual waves coming off of Africa, but none of it looks like it's really manifesting or turning into anything. So we'll say that the tropics are nice and quiet still. Let's hope they stay that way. On the Gulf today, winds out of the northeast and east, 5 to 12, seas 2 feet or less. Will go mostly smooth in the protected waters, so not bad for the boaters. Just got to dodge some of the showers. I've got the rain chances like 20-30%. I know it's raining in a couple of spots, but it's only those couple of spots. A lot of other areas aren't going to find any showers, so depending on where you are, that's who's getting wet. It's muggy across the board, but parts of Jefferson County, parts of Brooks County, parts of Thomas County, that's where we have our best shots to see some showers this morning. We'll up those rain chances like 50-50 this afternoon. Everybody's got a decent shot to get wet, but not everybody will get wet. I'm expecting 92, 93, 94 for highs today. It'd be nice if we didn't get there, but we'll need the showers to take over a little earlier and be a little bit more widespread if that indeed is going to be the case. More muggy tonight. The showers will eventually fizzle, and I think we're going to start tomorrow like we're starting today with lots of 70s. And here we go with that 7-day forecast. I would love to drop those temperatures even more and crank up those rain chances a little bit higher, but I don't think we're looking at that. I think we're looking at more afternoon and evening based scattered showers. A lot of it's going to hinge on the sea breezes, so that gives us enough time for those temperatures to climb into the low 90s first, maybe into the mid 90s, especially in the spots that miss out on the showers. Now, as we head into next week, I still see a lot of hot, and I still see a lot of humid. Hey, next week is still August, so we have to expect more of the hot, more of the humid. The key always this time of year, those afternoon pop-up scattered showers. When we get them, it doesn't stay so hot for so long.